The next step is to attach the column to the base. It's very simple to do this. We're just going to lift the back of the column. We're going to place it here temporarily on to the base. Then we're going to connect the electrical wire for the lights. We're going to insert the watering tube into the base like so. And then we're just going to lift up the top column and seat it on the mounts. Once we have this in, we're just going to secure it with the 4 remaining screws. And connect the pump, which is found on the inside. So it's this hose here, and our pump. We're just gonna push that on. Like so. So there you have it.